think. Yeah, all kinds of windows. Hey guys, welcome back to the show. Yeah, big day today. We've got our fancy unboxing video. Time kind of got away from me here a little bit. But yeah, gonna do this live unboxing and take apart. See if I can get in the frame. Well, there went that camera. I was able to borrow a additional camera here today, so should have some nice close-up pictures. Yeah, there we are on the screen. So yeah, Segway GT3 Pro. The box itself is about 140 pounds, so it was kind of a, effort to kind of drag it in here. But seems to have survived the trip reasonably well. I mean, all things considered. It would have been nice if UPS had waited for a signature, but they just kind of left it out there. I guess for something that had to come all the way from China, it's pretty good. Segways are notoriously well packaged, so in spite of what it looks like, I don't think there'll be any problem. All right, moment of truth. There's something in there. Nice packing material. Let's see. Stop. Do not return this to the place of purchase. Oh, I was curious if there was going to be something like this. Right on the front. No tampering. Warning, no tampering. Thank you for choosing our product. For your safety, any unauthorized tampering with the product itself or the software installed on it is prohibited. Your continued use of a tampered product is blah, 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 blah. Immediately voiding all warranty provisions. Loses its general operating permit to operate in Germany. Your insurance company. And then also in German. Well, but what is tampering, really? All right, so lots of plugs. Giant 332 watts on the brick. 84 volt max. 4 amps. 4.5 amps max at 83 volts. So yeah, 72 volt scooter. First of its kind, I think, for Segway. This is a lot of packing. Just put that in the yard. Wow. That's the stem is thick, like way more than I expected. I've only ever ridden like a rental scooter. You know. Ooh, look at all those fancy things.